What up here, y'all? What we doing up here, y'all? Not an ass.
We should do a YouTube about people who gotta work every day.
Wagon. Miss Wagon.
What the fuck is this? She always watching, but why you saying wow?
Hey.
Wow.
Hey. She don't know. Forgive her.
I'm about to write her back and say, what's wow, bitch?
Hey, whoever that girl is, she talking about watch my YouTube. She talking about your ass.
What?
What you say, Wagon? Wagon.
Y'all know YouTube.
She dissing my YouTube, y'all. Tell her this YouTube lit. Yeah.
Get the key out the middle of the car. Come after that.
Big back ass.
You should have been finishing these, bitch. If you can lean, you can clean.
I can do it for you, Wagon.
If you can lean, you can clean.
Then, hey, you drop some.
Nah, you drop something.
You trying to look cute, baby. Wagon. Wagon. This is what I do with my woman. I make my woman work. Cook, clean.
I don't know nothing about no other fun. Today is my second day.
I put my woman to work.
It's my second day. You don't put nothing to work.
Smile. Good shit. Good shit. She just talking shit. She look grumpy. She look grump. It's a clean kitchen. That's how y'all kitchen needs to be looking. Mop water ain't even dirty.
Go to your house. Go in there. Show them your house.
Shut up, Wagon.
Show them your house.
I'll show them your house.
My house clean.
We live together, dumbass. What you say, Wagon?
Why you didn't clean this? Ashley burnt that.
Who the culprit? Big back the culprit. You wait them tables, big back.
Cause we need to fuck along fine. Smack your ass.
See how they talk to me.
Oh.
You gotta work faster, Wagon.
Here. How we could have been gone? Playing with your ass. Who? You. What was you doing? Cooking. Well, if you would have let me stop cooking, I could have helped clean.
This what
I was not gonna let you. And then who was gonna cook food? That boy say no more order.
where your cigars at, big back? Uh-oh, they talking about they left a tip. I gotta hurry up. Man, this is the cooking adventures with Ashley and Wagon. What we doing, big back?
I'm looking for the key.
She gave me this to roll up, y'all. But no, no cigar. What we doing? What we doing? Hey, it's cooking adventures with Ashley and Wagon.
You think that's funny?
I don't know. I think you dropped something, Wagon.
What I dropped?
Go pick it up.
No, I dropped nothing.
That's my niece. Why she crazy, y'all?
Did you get the key? Mama.
This ain't your mama.
Where my mama at?
Did you get the key?
No.
So where the key is?
No, big back. Hey, I know where she at.
That was very rude.
She do it
Why
to
you do
me.
that?
She do it to
You
me.
don't do that to kids. She
it
do that to
me.
you?
She do it to me, wagon.
So you do it. So you childish now.
What you want to do, wagon? I mean, big back.
I'm looking for this key so we can go, stupid.
You see how you talk to me? Talk to me like I'm a peon.
Who come in the morning, Ashley?
You and her.
No, I don't come in the morning. I don't come till 12.
Listen to her. That's what no work gets you.
12 to 8, nigga?
You get the exercise.
I barely get a.
You Mexican. You better act like you better put on for your Mexican people.
That was racist. That was racist.
It's only racist if you're lazy. It's for all my hard-working Migos out there.
You feel some type of way because you helped today? Because you usually real
You
lazy.
resilient. Oh, I'm lazy. She called me lazy.
The door just gonna be open. Cause I know about to get there.